Hello friends, I'm Joanna from Joanna Miranda Studio, and this is my video series, Art Bag, Time-Saving Tips and Tricks. When faced with a pristine piece of paper, does the fear of ruining it make you unable to let loose with your drawings? Hey, I get it, and I've certainly been there. I've talked in previous videos about one solution that you can do, which is to draw on a piece of scratch paper, scrap paper. And that is one way, if you know that the paper is already used up and you're not going to actually be using it for a finished drawing, sometimes you'll find that your creativity is much freer. In today's video, I'm going to talk about another tool that I use that's similar to scrap paper, but it has different features, and in that way it'll benefit your illustrations in a different way. I bought this dry erase board for about $20. I bought it from the Marker Board people, which is a company that designs their dry erase boards and markets them mainly to teachers for use in the classroom with students. So obviously that's not what I'm using it for. And I'll explain today how I use it and how the differences between this and a scrap piece of paper actually will help your illustration in different ways. For the purposes of this video, I've placed the dry erase board on my music stand. It's a little bit floppy, so bear with me while it wiggles a little bit. Now, one of the things that's really nice about working with the dry erase board is that you can quickly erase whenever you make a mistake. Get rid of the evidence right away. No one has to see that you made a boo-boo. Another thing that's really nice about, and obviously you're not getting dry eraser crumbs, because this board doesn't have eraser crumbs when you erase it. Another really nice thing is that when you work with a dry erase board, you are using a pen that is thicker than what you would normally be using on a scrap piece of paper. And why is that good? Well, for the simple reason that using a thicker pen and a more clumsy tool, in fact, it means that you have to draw bigger and be looser and more free and go with the gesture more. And that is really important. Gesture is one of the first things that you need to get into your drawings if you want them to have movement and life. So I'm going to do a demonstration drawing for you on this whiteboard, and we'll see how it comes out. And that's it for today's Art Bag Time-Saving Tips and Tricks video. If you've enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider giving it a thumbs up. Remember that I post these videos every Monday and Friday. If you haven't yet, you might want to subscribe to my channel, and make sure if you subscribe that you toggle on the little bell so that you receive a notification every time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching.